Hello everyone, a warm welcome again to Oracle IAM Insight Series, What's New? April sections. My name is Edward Liu, Product Manager for Oracle Identity and Access Management. Today I'm going to talk about Oracle IAM containers that we recently released and why you should adopt IAM containers and what benefits you will get. From an industry trend perspective, many organizations are modernizing their workload. Cloud-native technologies are used to build portable and scalable applications in public cloud, private cloud, and also in on-prem infrastructure. And as part of that cloud-native technologies, containers are first-class citizens in the cloud. Containers are lightweight, standalone, portable, and easily scalable. There are multiple container technology in the market today, but Docker is the de facto technology, and Kubernetes is the leading solution for container management in the market. And that is why Oracle we adopt container Docker containers and Kubernetes for Oracle Enterprise Identity and Access Management. With DevOps approach using containers, organizations are reporting an increase of 12x on deployment velocity, and 75% of organizations are reporting improved efficiency for application maintenance and support operations, according to the survey recently done by Cloud Native Computing Foundations. In terms of container for Oracle IAM, our product have always been container ready. But before the GA release of Oracle Enterprise IAM Container, customers have been building containers on their own for IAM. And now with Oracle IAM GA release of containers in November last year, Oracle IAM containers can be used and deployed by customers directly so that it is very cost effective and shifting back the responsibility of building and packaging IAM container from customer back to Oracle. So what are the key benefits of using Oracle IAM 12c containers? First, it increases IT operation efficiency. Containers allow easy scale up and down, and it eliminates the dependency on physical hardware. High availability and disaster recovery are easy to achieve with container cloud deployments. Container can be deployed on any cloud infrastructure provided by hyperscale vendor, and it eliminates vendor lock-in. And maintenance effort is significantly reduced with cloud infrastructure tooling and adopting managed services. And second, IAM container increase deployment velocities. Oracle IAM containers are released every quarter with latest bundle pack. Configurations and customization are now moved to persistent volume and making the deployment and upgrade much more straightforward and simple compared to before. The upcoming new feature of microservices are also come in container format, and it can run alongside with traditional on-prem software or container release. Lastly, with container, it is very easy to adopt standardized DevOps approach, leveraging standard tools such as build, testing, and deployment tooling, as well as open source logging and monitoring capabilities. And that is both from Oracle and Cloud Native open standard communities. With container release, customers now have the multiple options for deployments. They can run all three Oracle IAM components as it is today with software on physical server or virtual machine. And just to be sure here that we are not taking away the option to run software on physical and virtual machine. And in addition, you will get the container image that you can run that um, in a cloud or on-prem infrastructure. And that is the market trend that we are seeing today. Customers are adopting container across public and private sectors. Oracle also offers Identity Cloud SaaS solution if customers prefer to have subscription and on-prem model. And both Oracle and our partners are offering managed service to run Oracle IAM virtual machine or containers in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure so that customer can hand off managing this workload themselves to Oracle or third-party companies. So what are available with Oracle IAM Container Release? With IAM Container, we provide pre-built Oracle IAM Container image for all three products: Oracle Identity Governance, Oracle Access Management, and Oracle Unified Directory. Customer can now download container image from My Oracle Support. And again, for every quarter, Oracle will release container image with pre-built quarterly bundle pack. There are situations that customers want to build container image on their own, such as packaging and building with one-off patch. And for that, we provide IAM-based image, sample Docker files, and scripts. And using the Deliver WebLogic image tool, customer can now build a custom image on their own easily. There are several tools that included in our container release, and not just for deployment, but also for custom build, dynamic scaling with Helm chart, and also there are tools for monitoring and logging capabilities. The only dependency, as you see at the bottom of this slide, is database. In the case of OIG and OAM, Oracle database is outside of container image release for IAM. And we do support different database options as traditional Oracle IAM software support. Listed again in this picture, for the container release, we release 12C PS4 pre-built Docker image for all three products: OIG, OAM, and OUD, and which will be updated every quarter with latest bundle packs. And we provide base image and sample scripts and image tooling for customers to build custom image based on their own use case and requirements. WebLogic Kubernetes operators are included as part of IAM image to allow deployment and management of WebLogic-based applications on Kubernetes environments. Sample Kubernetes scripts and YAML file are provided and can be modified to fit for your own deployment requirements. We publish a set of FAQ for our container GA release, and that is publicly available with the link included in this slide here. The FAQ includes sample questions such as where to download container image for IAM, where to find documentations, and also how to build custom image. And I just want to highlight one question here. And the question is, are there any licensing change for container image? And the answer is no. No change to licensing and pricing with our container release. For existing customer, they will receive container image for free with existing licensing and support contract. In terms of container roadmap, the current container and Kubernetes IAM release are based on 12cps4, and we will be releasing container image every quarter with latest bundle packs. And not just that, we will continue to release documentation such as enterprise deployment guide, sizing documentation, tooling, and utilities so that customer can easily lift and shift, move and improve their current on-prem software to cloud infrastructure using containers. And that is what I wanted to cover today for Oracle IAM container release, and hope that helps you to understand our current container release and future product directions. Please continue to watch this channel for new product information, container best practice, and customer success stories for adopting Oracle IAM containers. And thank you so much for watching.